What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on Cardano. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin and what is the exact price or exact trade that I'm currently watching here, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. Here I am watching this bullish order block area, which is between levels 0.6319 and 0.6158. And if there will be a retest of this area, this can be actually first interesting opportunity to get into a long position. To this order block to be reached, there needs to be a drop of at least 5.27% of a net market, which I think is definitely possible. Your exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So first, let's say approach, how you can trade this will be valid in case of a just retest. So we want to set a limit order with a stop loss under this previous low. So this trade will have potential stop loss around 6.6% of a net market. And I think this is kind of safe approach. Your elastic profit targets, in this case, you can then place, let's say, under this previous high. So this trade will give you a risk reward ratio up to 9.26, which is in my opinion really great. And if you want, you can place it on like a lower targets. Next possible level where you can place it is under this previous important highs, and this risk reward ratio will be 7.91, which is again really great. In a trade like this, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take under this previous important lows, under this bearish order block area, which is between levels 0.734 and 0.6695, something above because there's pretty high probability of a potential liquidity grab, and then something under 0.8 and 0.9, and then you want to save some back to elastic profit target. These two will be just important psychological resistance because we didn't test this area for a while now. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio 7.91, the risk reward ratio will be more like 5, 6, something like that, which is in my opinion really great. And if you, for example, want to copy my exact trades, then don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. But keep in mind that right now there are a lot of scammers who are pretending to be me. So if you will ever receive a message from the account that looks like mine, keep in mind it's a scam. Another way how you can trade this will be to wait for a retest of this bullish order block area, and then for a liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows. Because a lot of people who are opening some long positions either in this or these areas, they probably put their stop losses under this bullish order block. So if we are gonna take a liquidity and there will be an increased bullish volume, which means next support confirmation, the exact trade can then look like this. So entry will be somewhere in this bullish order block, and stop loss you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. The biggest advantage of this is that we will probably have here really safe stop loss and really small stop loss, or at least it will be smaller than in the previous setup. I'm expecting it will be around 4% of a net market. Your elastic profit targets you can then place on the exact same level. So this scenario will give you risk reward ratio up to 16.86, and if we will take the same take profit targets, or if the elastic profit target will be on 0.96 and in the previous scenario, the risk reward ratio will be still 14.42, which is twice as good as the previous scenario. And if we will take multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio will be still like 9, 8, something like that, which is in my opinion really great setup. So if you want to, let's say, wait here for that liquidity grab, of course you are risking that you are gonna miss this trade because the retest itself is really good liquidity grab. So there is no guarantee that we are gonna take liquidity also under all of these previous important lows. But if we will, this is in my opinion much better scenario. If we will take a look on a higher time frame, I still think that Cardano in the long time perspective is really undervalued. On a daily time frame, I am waiting here either for a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block. This is something I talked about in my previous analysis. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I highly recommend you to watch it. This bearish order block is between level 0.7757 and 0.7205. So the, let's say, main strategy is here to wait for a breakout support confirmation. Stop loss you need to place under this area, because if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then we are probably gonna retest this lower order block. In trading, everything is based on a potential probability, and lastly, profit targets you can place under this previous high. So potential risk reward ratio 6.5, stop loss 7.7%, approximate, let's say, profit around 50% of a net market. This is really decent trade. But even better scenario will be to wait again for a retest of this lower bullish order block, but on a daily time frame. I really want to see here that liquidity grab with a support confirmation. So I am waiting here for, let's say, something like this. So potential risk reward ratio around 15. This is really great trade on a daily time frame. Definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin. This bullish order block is between level 0.6 to 6243 and 0.55942. So yeah, if you are interested about some exact setups, as I said, don't forget to join my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. You can join for completely free. And as I said, let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin and what is the exact price that you are expecting this coin is gonna hit. I am still expecting in this bull market we are gonna hit this bearish order block, so this can be really great long entry. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.